Good morning, students. As in yesterday's video, I had explained this poem to you, and I hope you might have completed the work of your chapter 1 English Melbury. After that, only I gave you the first video of this poem, and I know you already will be knowing the name of the poem because I have already put this full poem in your first video. This is the second video, okay? So this I'm uploading once again the full poem in this. So I need you to learn this, okay? All 12 lines are there of the poem. You have to learn it, okay? So now here I'm just for your learning purpose. I put this 4 lines, then this 4, then again you have got this 4. So you have total 12 lines, okay? So for your knowledge, I have put this uploaded this poem once again as I complete this poem today. And if you have not gone through your first video of your poem, please I request all of you to go through the videos, so whatever we provide for you. So this is the poem after chapter 1. So please learn all these 12 lines, and what meanings I already had given to you, so I don't have to give you again. But I need you to find out the meanings of these words, whichever I am making the circle, okay? So you will be finding out the meaning of these words. Little homework. So these words you will be finding out the meaning. I hope you have a dictionary. If you don't have, please buy a small one so that you can improve your language. When you don't understand any words, you can yourself find out the meanings, then you can learn it. So please learn this whole poem to all 12 lines. You have got here 12 lines. Once again, learn it. This is your homework. After this, I had given you yesterday this exercise, making connections. Choose the correct option. I hope you might have done it. If you have not done it, once again I remind you, please do it. You have to only choose the right answer after reading the poem. Otherwise, without reading the poem, you will not be able to do this. From here, 1 will be correct. From here also, B also 1, C also 1. So please do it. Okay, dear students. After that, I have given you the question answers. Now these are the questions here of the poem. Read these lines and answer the questions that follow. So you have to read these 2 lines of the poem, these 2 lines, and read these questions afterwards and answer according to these 2 lines. Okay, you have to read the lines and answer the questions that follow. Okay, so now these 3 questions are here, though I have given you the answers in this video, but you yourself can practice, learn how to find out the answers. Okay, so after this you have got answers here, 2a1, 2a, then all these 3, 2a, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, all these 3 questions I have put here. So this is your number 1, the 2 and 3, 2a. After this, B, you have got C, A, B, C, and each category you have 3 questions. Now here again you have to read these lines and answer the questions 1 2 3. All these 3 questions you have to answer. I have given you the answers also here. So 1 2 3. So you can do it for your help. It is okay. So please, whatever, now since I have uploaded these answers also for your help, so don't think that teacher has given me the answers yet, so I don't need to learn now. I want you to write down these question answers in your notebook. Okay, dear students. After this, you have C. Again, read these lines and answer the question 1 2 3. All 3 questions are here. The answers also I uploaded here, so you can go through the answers. Okay, Write down in your notebook. So please don't miss, your answer ends here. Okay, don't write this line, only till here. Okay, so please complete this work. After this, I need you to work on this. Number 3, let us read. Describe the rapture of the earth. Okay, this is one question. Then what sounds are mentioned in the poem? Okay, which words and phrases evoke the turbulence of the ocean? Okay, this the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions are here. Okay, so you have to answer. I have given you the answers also here again. Third answer is here, fourth and fifth. But I am only till fifth I am giving the answers. Sixth and seventh, your own. 6 and 7. Okay, so here the answers. Your third answer, fourth answer, and the fifth is here, but it is continued. Okay, this is not the end. This answer is continued here. So this is your complete fifth answer. Okay, so here it is ending. So you will write down these answers in your copy, and please learn the question answers whatever I am providing for you. Don't think that teacher has given me so I can learn it from the video afterwards. No, whatever is given to you, please see that you complete the work and write down in your notebooks. And if you can purchase the books, I heard the children are already buying it. So if it is possible, please get the books. Now here one exercise, this is homework you have to do yourself. In each row, circle the word that best describes the mood. Okay. Now already this is a poem here. Okay. So you have to select one word from this. This I will not help you because you all are already class 8 students. I hope you will be able to do it. So this is the little homework. Now suppose for one example I can explain to you the first one, how you have to answer it. The first one, now let us see the C. Let us see C. I felt a funeral in my brain and mourners to and fro. Okay. Now what it can be? Funeral means कोई मर जाता है तो उसका दफनाना या जनाजा निकालते हैं, तो जॉयफुल है या सोरोफुल है? दिस विल बी सोरोफुल. ओके, so once again I am telling the C will have answer sorrow. So in the same way you have to find out the all the other answers and the mood, feeling or tone that the lyrical lines expresses. Okay, what these lines are expressing here, you have to find out the meaning. Okay, so this is your homework. There's no need of writing in your notebook, but I want you to write down the question answers in your notebook. So these questions you will be writing, then go to the answers. Okay, these answers also you will write. Okay, then B, all three are here, 1 2 3. Okay, write down in your notebook. Then C, all three questions are here, 1 2 3. The answers are given here. I have already uploaded, so you can go through. These answers are till here. After that, third, fourth, fifth, I have given you the answers, but sixth and seventh, your own. Your own. Okay, that is your homework. So dear students, this exercise, these answers are here already. You can go through and write down in your notebook. This is the third answer. Then the fourth and fifth is continued on next page. Okay, so your answer fifth completes here. After this one exercise, this is your homework. Again I am reminding, this is your homework. You have to choose the correct word according to their feelings, mood, and expressions. Okay, just as I explained you for this, the sorrow will come. Okay, so please, dear students, I complete here your poem, and I request all of you once again, do not waste your time. Whatever videos are provided for you, please see that you make use of it in a good way. So simply don't sit at home and waste your time. There is a possibility for you. Everybody has phone now, and I hope you will be doing already your work. So this exercise you will do. Choose the correct option. Okay, correct answer. So once again, all the best, and learn this poem.